So this trick is going to be a little bit confusing. Are you ready for this? Yes? See, I just got a single rope over here. How many ends are there for this rope? How many? 2. Okay. And how many middle is there? 1 middle, and how many ends? See, I told you it is very confusing. See, now a rope has got 4 ends and 1 middle. It is not possible. 4 ends and it should have 2 middle. That means this is not a single rope. This is a double rope. 1 and 2. And if it is confusing, please do not blink. If it is confusing, we will start once again. You know, I'm missing something. My applause. Okay, I just got this rope over here. I just take this rope. So can you just come over here, if you don't mind? Yeah. Can you just tie the ends, please? You know to tie the ends? You know to tie? Yeah, please. Put a knot, tie the ends. Sir, I asked you to tie the ends, not to take the ends. Thank you. Well, now this is the endless rope. Now, if this is the endless rope, it is not possible that I can put a knot on this rope. I cannot put a knot on this rope. But if there is a knot on this rope, it is not possible that I can untie the knot like that. So what I will do is this. I'll put this ends on this endless rope like this. Okay, here we go. I just put the ends on this endless rope. Now watch very carefully. Do not blink. Are you all enjoying my show? Me too.